Yo, it's day 101 of High School Entrepreneur. I'm filming in the office downstairs because I don't wanna disturb anybody, and I wanna speak a little bit louder, so I don't have to speak like this. But yeah. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about making money. I don't know if I want it or I don't know, cause I just noticed in my bank account app, it's some Romanian bank with an app plant with an app, and I just opened it. I saw it almost doubled because I got a Stripe payment that just came in maybe like today or a few days ago, and I just felt good, bro. Honestly, just felt good. And honestly, I like the feeling, and I know that if I go, I don't know, I don't really have the boys here in my city. I wanted to say if I go to the mall with the boys, I just know I can uh buy whatever I want. Um, which is partially true, but yeah. Um, I have the boys in my country. They're in another city. They're going to the same school. Fortunately for them, and I'm just stuck here talking to people online. My parents are calling me antisocial, and everything is just kind of in there when it comes to this. Because I have friends at school, but I never meet up with them. I never see them outside of school. So my parents are just like, "Oh, you're antisocial. Like, just go see somebody." I'm like, "Bro, I can see anybody. Just turn on my webcam on my laptop. It's not that hard." But they don't seem to understand. And then when I don't know, I finally go with somebody, and I go again, they think like, "Oh, what the heck is happening? He wasn't just social, now he's like super social or something. He's like from he's like hyper social or he's Paris, bro." Life is life. Na 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 na. Who cares? We're gonna get through it all. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep enjoying my life, get more sleep, do my hobbies, do as little schoolwork as possible, make as much money as possible without losing all of the above. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. That's it for day 101 of High School Entrepreneur. Peace.